Eddwaliro ekkulu ery'e Kagadi lyazimwa mu mwaka gwa 1968 nga mu kiseera ekyo lyalina ebitanda 100 ebyali bimala okusinziira ku muwendo gw'abalwadde.
The hospital was constructed with 100 bed capacity. That is 25 beds per ward, and right now, for example, maternity ward which was constructed to accommodate 25 mothers, right now we have squeezed there 60 plus beds.
Mu kiseera kino okusinziira ku baliddukanya likuŋŋaanya abalwadde okuva mu disitulikiti ezibalinaanye okulikako Miro, Kyenjojo n'endala ekireeta omujjuzo.
This is becoming a center for all the surrounding areas, and therefore the patient-doctor ratio has also increased.
The theaters and the rooms are very small where the patients have to be admitted and attended to. They are too small, so you always find a lot of congestion and a lot of stress. So this causes a lot of maybe easier spread of diseases, like recently we had the COVID.
Ebyuma nabyo bitono kati ate nga bikaddiye.
X-rays, X-ray, these scans, all those facilities are not there. They are not there. And you find that when a patient is required to go to the X-ray, they go outside the hospital.
The unfortunate part of it, with modern medical equipment, it is so expensive to procure locally compared to the budgets we have.
Kono kw'ogwatta eddagala ettono n'ebikozesebwa ebirala ebitamala.
Referring also a patient from here to other neighboring hospitals, regional hospitals, is also becoming so hard because the hospital, this hospital has no an ambulance.
Ebyongo bitadde ku bbali, abasawo nabo balina batono ddala so nga n'ennyumba zaabwe zikutte mu mbinabina.
The hospital received some money grant for renovation of the hospital, but the staff quarters remained. Up to today, they are in very, very poor condition. So, which needs also to be rehabilitated in order to accommodate our staff of the hospital.
Kati abakulu basaba gavumenti bataasa okuzza obujja eddwaliro lino kibasobozesa okuweereza abantu obulungi.
We call upon for the total rehabilitation of the hospital, which includes the expansion of the hospital and also increasing the staff structure and the equipping the hospital.
The government also to come in and equip us to ensure that the services we provide are of high standards and quality.
Okusinziira ku Yosi Yandibwami, ssentebe wa disitulikiti y'e Kagadi, tebalina akulira byabulamu mu disitulikiti wabula n'asuubiza okufuba okulaba nga bongera ne ku basawo.
We don't have a substantive DHO. We don't have a substantive medical superintendent for the hospital. So in terms of the staffing levels, we have a gap. However, very soon, if we can get wage, that's why we appeal at the government to give us wage. We'll be back on advertising this staff so that we can move.
Mu kiseera kino bw'otunuulira ebizimbe ku ddwaliro lino bikwasa ennako okuliyita eddwaliro ekkulu mu disitulikiti.